Good contents we watch from social network or social media, be it Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok, Snapchat, and so on, are good enough to make us learn, get us excited, and much more. Although we watch almost all of them for free, there are limited ways to download videos we desire on social networks. You need two apps to download any video on TikTok. First, TikTok app. Second, the SnapTube app. Let's say you made the decision to download this particular video. Click on the share icon.
Click on the SnapTube icon.
Next, it pops up the video for you to download. Open up the SnapTube app. Click on My Files to confirm that the video from TikTok is downloading. That's all you need to do. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button, subscribe and share only on SoftGet.